Deep in the heart of Pakistan, there's a town called Miran Shah. This town, often overlooked, is a hidden treasure waiting to be discovered. It's a place where the ancient and the modern coexist, where the past whispers through the winds and the future is written in the stars. It's a place where mountains meet the sky, creating a breathtaking horizon that seems to stretch on forever. The peaks stand tall and proud, a testament to the natural beauty that defines this region. Rugged and raw, this is North Waziristan. The landscape is unforgiving with its rough, rocky terrain that tells a story of resilience and strength. It's a land that has shaped its people just as much as they have shaped it. Here life is tough, shaped by the land itself. The villagers work tirelessly in the fields, their lives intertwined with the rhythms of nature. Every step on the mountain trails is a testament to their endurance and spirit. Miran Shah is more than just a dot on the map. It's a vibrant community with a rich history and a promising future. The town is a hub of culture and tradition where every corner has a story to tell. It's a testament to resilience, a hidden gem in a wild landscape. The people of Miran Shah wear their heritage with pride, their traditional attire a symbol of their enduring culture. The town is nestled within the federally administered tribal areas, known for its tribal traditions and untamed beauty. This region is a mosaic of cultures, each contributing to the rich tapestry of life here. Surrounded by towering peaks, Miran Shah feels a world away from the hustle and bustle of city life. It's a sanctuary where one can find peace and solitude, far from the noise and chaos of urban living. This is a place where nature reigns supreme. The dense forests and open valleys are home to a diverse array of flora and fauna, each playing a crucial role in the ecosystem. The air is crisp and clean, carrying the scent of pine and earth. It's a refreshing change from the polluted air of the cities, a reminder of the purity that nature offers. The silence is broken only by the sound of the wind whistling through the valleys. It's a serene and tranquil environment, perfect for those seeking a moment of reflection and peace. To understand Miran Shah, you need to experience its raw beauty. Hike through its rugged landscapes and you'll find yourself immersed in a world that feels untouched by time. Feel the energy of the mountains. Each climb is a challenge, but the reward is a view that takes your breath away, a reminder of the power and majesty of nature. Breathe in the fresh air. Let it fill your lungs and rejuvenate your spirit. This is a place where you can truly connect with nature. This is a place that stays with you long after you leave. The memories of Miran Shah, with its stunning landscapes and resilient people, will linger in your heart, calling you back to this jewel in the mountains. The Toki River is the lifeblood of Miran Shah, a town that has thrived for centuries thanks to this vital waterway. Flowing down from the mountains, the river begins its journey as a series of small streams and rivulets, gathering strength and volume as it descends. It carves its way through the Tochi Valley, creating a lush, fertile landscape that stands in stark contrast to the rugged terrain around it. This ribbon of blue brings life to the arid land, transforming it into a vibrant ecosystem teeming with flora and fauna. Locals depend on the river for their daily needs. It is their primary source of water for drinking, cooking, and cleaning. It provides water for their crops and sustains their livestock, ensuring that the community remains self-sufficient and resilient. The Tochi Valley is a tapestry of green fields and orchards, a testament to the hard work and dedication of the local farmers. It stands in stark contrast to the surrounding barren mountains, highlighting the river's role in creating a fertile oasis in an otherwise harsh environment. The river's presence is everywhere, weaving through the landscape like a lifeline, connecting the people and the land. You can hear it gurgling through the valley, a constant reminder of its importance and the life it brings to the region. For generations, the people of Miran Shah have lived in harmony with the river, respecting its power and relying on its bounty. It's a source of sustenance and a place of peace where locals gather to fish, relax, and enjoy the natural beauty. The Tochi River is more than just water. It is a central element of the landscape, serving multiple purposes and enriching the lives of those who live near it. It's a symbol of life and resilience in this challenging environment, a testament to the enduring power of nature. The river is also a vital transportation route, allowing locals to travel and trade with neighboring communities. It connects Miran Shah to other settlements, fostering a sense of community and shared purpose. The Tochi River and Valley are the heart and soul of this region, a vital artery that sustains life and nurtures the land. They are a testament to the power of nature to sustain life in even the harshest of environments, a beacon of hope and resilience. Miran Shah sits in the shadow of giants. These are the foothills of the mighty Hindu Kush mountains. These mountains are a formidable presence. They dominate the skyline, their peaks often hidden by swirling clouds. The Hindu Kush foothills are a landscape of extremes. Jagged peaks pierce the sky, steep slopes are etched with deep ravines. Vegetation is sparse, clinging tenaciously to life in this arid environment. Despite the harsh conditions, there's a stark beauty to this landscape. The play of light and shadow on the mountains creates an ever-changing canvas. The silence is profound, broken only by the wind and the occasional cry of a bird. The Hindu Kush foothills are a reminder of the power of nature. They are a testament to the enduring forces that have shaped our planet for millennia. The earth around Miran Shah holds hidden treasures, waiting to be discovered by those who venture into its rugged terrain. Quartz, a mineral formed over millions of years, is found in abundance here. These crystals, with their intricate patterns and clarity, are a testament to the slow and powerful geological processes that have shaped this region. The presence of quartz is evident in the landscape, with deposits scattered across the terrain, glinting in the sunlight. It sparkles in the sunlight, a reminder of the geological forces that have shaped this region. The way these crystals catch the light is almost magical, adding a unique charm to the landscape. Quartz deposits are a source of income for some locals. These hard-working individuals spend hours extracting the mineral from the earth, often using traditional methods passed down through generations. They carefully extract and sell this valuable mineral, which is then used in various industries, from jewelry to electronics. The quartz trade is a small but important part of the local economy. Markets bustle with activity as traders and buyers negotiate prices, each piece of quartz representing a potential livelihood. It allows people to make a living from the land, turning what might seem like barren ground into a source of sustenance and hope. Beyond its economic value, quartz is a reminder of the Earth's history. Each crystal holds within it a story of the planet's past, a narrative written in the language of minerals. Each piece tells a story of intense pressure and heat, of geological processes unfolding over eons. These veins of quartz are like pages in a book, chronicling the Earth's dynamic history. These shimmering crystals, scattered across the landscape, add another layer to Miran Shah's rugged beauty. They are like nature's jewels, enhancing the natural splendor of the region. They are a testament to the hidden wonders that lie beneath the surface. Each discovery of quartz is like unearthing a piece of the Earth's hidden treasure. They remind us that even in the most desolate places, nature holds treasures waiting to be discovered. The quartz of Miran Shah is a symbol of resilience and beauty, hidden in plain sight. Section 5. Life finds a way. Flora and fauna of Miran Shah. Don't underestimate the power of nature to adapt and survive. Despite the harsh conditions, life thrives in Miran Shah. Plants and animals have adapted to the semi-arid climate. They're as tough as the land itself. Look closely and you'll see hardy shrubs clinging to the rocky slopes. These plants are drought-resistant. They can survive on minimal rainfall. Their roots burrow deep into the earth, seeking out precious moisture. The animals here are equally resilient. Birds of prey circle overhead, their keen eyes scanning the ground for food. Goats and sheep graze on the sparse vegetation, their sure-footedness allowing them to navigate the steep slopes. Life in Miran Shah is a testament to the power of adaptation. It's a reminder that even in the most challenging environments, life finds a way. Section 6. Under pressure, environmental challenges. Miran Shah faces environmental challenges. Air pollution is a growing concern. The increase in vehicles and industrial activity takes its toll. The once pristine air is now often thick with exhaust fumes. Human activities also put a strain on the land. Deforestation is a problem. Trees are cut down for fuel and construction. This leads to soil erosion. It disrupts the delicate balance of the ecosystem. The Toki River, the lifeline of the region, is also under threat. Pollution from industrial waste and sewage is a major concern. This endangers aquatic life and puts the health of the local population at risk. These challenges require urgent attention. We must find sustainable solutions. Protecting the environment is crucial for the well-being of both present and future generations. Section 7. Scars of conflict, a lasting impact. Miran Shah bears the scars of conflict. Years of unrest have taken a toll on the environment. The land is scarred with the remnants of war. Destroyed buildings and infrastructure serve as stark reminders of the past. The impact of conflict on the environment is undeniable. Explosions and fires have polluted the soil and air. The use of heavy weaponry has left its mark on the landscape. These scars will take years, even decades, to heal. The people of Miran Shah are resilient. They are determined to rebuild their lives and their environment, but they need support. The international community must step up and assist in the recovery process. Section 8. Exploring responsibly, nature's potential. Miran Shah has the potential for nature-based tourism. Imagine trekking through the Hindu Kush foothills. Picture yourself camping under a star-filled sky. The region's raw beauty is a magnet for adventurers. But exploration must be done responsibly. We must minimize our impact on the environment. We must respect the local culture and traditions. Sustainable tourism can bring economic benefits to the region. Miran Shah is a hidden gem. It's a place of rugged beauty and resilience. By exploring responsibly, we can help preserve this unique environment for future generations.